Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. We are going to make your analytics journey happier by showing you how to track purchase event in Google Analytics 4 for your Shopify store by using Google Tag Manager. Before we jump in, let's take a quick look, ensure that our Shopify data layer is enabled or not. If you go to the tag assistant, then see that our purchase event is working perfectly. We can take any kind of parameters for the purchase event. So now let's move to create a purchase event for Google Analytics 4. And you can also see that previously we had created GA4 view item, add to cart and begin checkout event. So if you do not watching our previous videos, I recommended you firstly watching those videos, then come back to the purchase event. And before starting the purchase event, we have to ensure that which parameters are required for the purchase event. Here in Google Analytics, you can see that this is the purchase event and what is the parameters are required. Here are the listing of the parameters: name, currency, transaction ID, value, coupon, shipping, tax, items. You already know that for the view item event, we are already created currency, value, and items parameters. So now we are created only transaction ID, coupon, shipping, tax parameter for the purchase event. That's why we are go to Google Tag Manager and go to the variable sections, new, and that will be the data layer variable. Here we put the data layer variable name. So go back to the Google Tag Assistant. In the purchase event, we are pick the variable. Here we can see event is purchase. So under the e-commerce, we pick the transaction ID as a child topic. So first we pick the e-commerce, copy from that and back to our Google Tag Manager, paste it, dot, then again come back to the Google Tag Assistant, copy the transaction ID and paste it. And also the name will be the DLB transaction ID. First one is created, so save. And now go to second one, which is coupon. Then again we are pick the data layer variable and back to the Google Tag Assistant and copy the e-commerce from the data layer, Google Tag Manager, paste it e-commerce, then dot. Again we are now pick the coupon. Here you see the coupon, copy the coupon and paste it. Again name will be the DLB coupon. Save it. And again we are creating the new. Again we are go to new and data layer variable. Now we're creating the shipping parameter. So back to the Google Tag Assistant again with the e-commerce from it, paste it, dot, and the shipping. So copy the shipping from here and paste it. The name will be DLB shipping. Save it. And our last parameters will be the tags. So click the new and hit the data layer variable. Again, we back to Tag Assistant, copy the e-commerce, paste it, and our final one is tags. So copy the tags from it and back to again Google Tag Manager, paste the tags. Here the name will be the DLB tags. Save it. So we have completed our required parameters variable. Now we have created the tag. So here we see the tag, click the tag and the new tag configuration under the Google Analytics, pick the Google Analytics GA4 event, and here we putting the measurement ID and paste the measurement ID here, paste it. Today our event is purchase. So back to the Google Tag Assistant and copy the purchase event. And again back to Google Tag Manager, paste the purchase event. Here we see the every event parameters. Here we put the all of parameters which are required. So add parameter. Here we listing the recommended parameters from we are copy from the parameters name. First one is currency. Paste the currency. Here we putting the value, DLP currency. Second one is transaction ID. Paste the transaction ID and put the value, DLP transaction ID. Third one is value. Here we see the value. So DLP value, shipping. Final one is items. And finally, we are putting the items value. We are at the all of parameters for purchase event. Now time to create a trigger. So click it and create a new trigger. That will be the custom event. And event is purchase. We will give the name event purchase. Save it. And finally, we are giving a tag name that is GA4 purchase. Save it. We are almost done. Now time to examine our purchase event is firing perfectly or not, and also check it out our website data is passing to our GA4 analytics property or not. Then go to preview, continue, and see that our debug view is connected with our website. Then open a product page, one product, second one, and hit that to cart button, and also hit that to cart button. We are also go to the checkout. Here putting the dummy information, and here we also dummy payment informations. Okay, now our payment is complete. Now check out that. Back to the Google Tag Assistant firstly. Here see GA4 purchase event fire perfectly. You have to click G for purchase. Here you see our all parameters, tags, items, AP value, and here we are created this value from the data layer, and our measurement ID is looking here. Now we back to GA4 property in the admin sections and the data display sections. Go to debug view. See our purchase event is looking here, so click the purchase and all the parameters also showing here. See currency, shipping, tax, transaction ID, value, and finally we are go to the items. Here see our two product are looking here. So congrats, we are successfully set up purchase event in our Google Analytics 4 for Shopify store by using Google Tag Manager. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.